What is the difference between a USCIS online account number and a receipt number?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to delve into the world of U.S. immigration and discuss a common point of confusion: the difference between your USCIS online account number and your receipt number. It's important to understand these terms as they play a vital role in the immigration process.
What is a USCIS online account number?
First off, let's talk about the USCIS online account number. This is a unique, 7-digit number that is automatically assigned to you when you create an account on the USCIS website. It's crucial to note that you will only have a USCIS online account number if you filed an application, petition, or request online. You can find your USCIS online account number by logging into your account and visiting your profile page.
What is a receipt number?
Now, let's move on to the receipt number. The receipt number is a unique 13-character identifier that USCIS provides for each application or petition it receives. The agency uses this number to identify and track its cases. This number is typically in the format of 3 letters followed by 10 numbers. Unlike the online account number, everyone who files an application, petition, or request with USCIS will receive a receipt number, regardless of whether they filed online or by mail.
Can I use these numbers interchangeably?
No, you can't. The USCIS online account number and receipt number serve different purposes. While the online account number is used for managing your account online, the receipt number is used for tracking the status of your individual application or petition. Therefore, it's important to use the correct number in the correct place to avoid any delays or confusion in your immigration process. In conclusion, the USCIS online account number and receipt number are 2 distinct identifiers used by USCIS. They each serve a unique purpose in the immigration process. Understanding these differences will help you navigate the USCIS system more effectively. We hope this video has been helpful and clarifies any confusion you may have had. Remember, every detail counts when you're navigating the immigration process. Stay informed and best of luck with your journey.